Hi, I am Marina Webster, a medical doctor and an intuitive healer. I teach people how to heal using intuitive healing and medical intuition. In my book, The Secret Energy of Your Body, I explain how emotions affect organs and body parts, and how we create illnesses because of the negative emotional energy in the body. It is proven by medical science that when people experience different emotions, their organs vibrate differently. Look at this picture now. This picture shows how our body parts light up or shut down in response to different emotions. To heal and be well, we need to develop a quiet mind or calm mind. And it is not just about being positive all the time. There is a difference between positive mind and quiet mind. Some people force themselves to have a positive mind, but still feel insecure inside. A forced positive mind can be very stressful as negative mind. It is much more important to have a quiet mind. And it is a quiet mind that creates healing, intuition, and vision. You can have that calm mind if you release emotions from your body. If you want to learn how to release emotions from your body and have a calm mind, please get my free step-by-step guide, where you learn the whole process how to release emotions for free. Moreover, you will learn how to do it to help other people, such as your friends, clients, or family members, to release their emotions. Please click the subscribe button so we will be connected, and I am looking forward to seeing you again.